Hi everyone, it's Jilly here, and yes, I have been away for a couple of weeks because I have been busy designing something very special for you. I have come up with these designs for BoHo paper beads that will really make your summer sizzle. I have come up with 4 different designs, and the good news is I'm giving 3 of the design templates away on my craft blog, and you can get them by going over to my blog and simply following the link to download them. And the 4th design is available in my Etsy shop at a very reasonable cost. So the 3 designs that I am giving away on my blog, they're all original, and they began as paintings that I did on my gel plate. And then once I had done a number of paintings, I then put them through a digital process in my image editing software and turned them into these designs, which I then used on the templates, on the paper bead templates. So what you're getting here originated as my own very colourful paintings that I have turned into the designs that you see here on the beads. So they are unique, you won't find them anywhere else, and I hope you enjoy them. The 4th design, the one that you can get in my Etsy shop, was designed by me, but I used a digital process to create that design. So that's not from one of my original paintings, but it is from an original design that I did on my Mac. So what you're seeing here is what I decided to make with my beads. You can make whatever you want with yours and put them together in whatever order you want. I'm not actually showing you how to make this necklace and bracelet in this video. I'm just literally showing you how to make the beads. These ones are straight, you can just cut them straight up and down because of the shape. You can do it with scissors or a scalpel and a metal ruler. But the 3rd one, this one, this is a very subtly different shape. It's got kind of like a very long bottle shape. Can you see there the very subtle tapering in, and then it goes up straight to create these beads here. They're very subtly different to the ones that are just a straight taper, and you can see here you must cut these with scissors. You can't do these with a scalpel and a ruler because you have to follow the line. It's a very subtle, it took me ages to get this design, to make these lines, but as I said, it's a very long bottle shape, and it does give you the beads that have got that that ridge around the middle with the design on. And then of course, when you've cut your strips, you need to just go along and colour in the edge, and you don't have to make the colours blend in. You can do what I've done here. I've used green on a yellow strip. That's very effective. So just have fun with when you colour the sides in. Just have fun with that, and you know, choose whatever colours you want, but make sure that you do use permanent marker. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to roll. I know many of you already know this, but for people who are new to paper beads, you do colour the end in so that you don't have a white middle showing when you've rolled the bead. And I'm using my 3mm bead tool, and I also sell these in my Etsy shop. I only sell 2 sizes. I sell 3mm and 5mm for making European style beads. You don't really need any other size bead tool. The core hole isn't really that important in the overall finish of the bead. It's more to do with what you want to thread your beads on. So this one is this tool is good for anything 3mm or under, and then obviously the 5mm tool will allow you to thread your beads onto the leather European style bracelets or the silver European style bangles. I am rolling my bead this way round, with the technique of rolling it away from me, because it's easier to match the lines up, and that is crucial with this particular design, this bottle design. So I've turned it over now to just finish it off, but you really need to make sure that you keep everything even so that you end up with that ridge around the middle with the design on. Okay, so I'm just going to show you again for the people that are new to this. It's much easier to see what you're doing and see where the edges are when you roll this way round. And they're really quite effective, these beads, and I love the fact, oh yeah, there's a white bit there that I wasn't too keen on, so if you end up with any areas that you think are too light, you can just fill them in with Sharpies. These are really pretty beads, and you can see there where I coloured the end. It just helps the bead to look better. You haven't got a white centre there. And there's some more that I've rolled. And what I did, I took all the templates. Now this is the one that is available in my Etsy shop. This one's a bit more complicated. It makes these dumbbell shaped beads. You can cut these by hand or with a scalpel and a metal ruler, but I actually cut mine, well, these ones I did by hand, but some of the ones I did I cut on my silhouette machine. So this pink one is from one of the tapered ones with just a straight taper, which is different to the bottle shaped one. So this is what you get with the straight taper beads, and you can you can easily cut them with a craft knife. And likewise these ones. So they're all different. They all give you a different bead, and they look so nice when you mix them together in their different sizes. So as I said, you can cut these with scissors, and you obviously need to colour the edges, all of the edges, and make sure you put some glue across the middle as well as the ends, because you need to make sure that when you roll down to where the strips go off into two separate strips, you need to make sure that centerpiece is stuck down firmly. And that's it. It's really easy. I know lots of people are quite scared of doing the more advanced beads, but they really are easy to roll. So that's the one that you get in the Etsy shop. The other three are all being given away free over on my craft blog, which is www.funcraftstodo@home.com. And as I said, they're very easy to cut. The bottle shaped one needs to be done with scissors, and the other two can be done with a craft knife and a ruler. Okay, so that's one of the designs that you get for free. There are some terms and conditions attached, obviously, but there's not many. And you can print this off and use it as many times as you want to. So I'm just showing you here, this is all the waste that I had from when I cut my beads up. Don't throw the waste away, because I will be showing you in a future video. I'll be showing you what I did with these scraps. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy using the templates, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and my blog. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will come back to you. Thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!